Aloha guys, apologies for not uploading a video in the last month. I guess it's been probably almost 5 weeks now. I've been busy making cabinets for the tiny houses that I'm working on. But this is the last set for this batch. Yeah. So it's been a very busy few weeks making something like that. 2 sides though on either side. So like I said, it's been a very hectic few weeks trying to get all these cranked out. I think I've worked 100 hours in the last 14 days, which is a lot more than I'm used to working. But my next video should be completing the workbench.